I'm sure you've seen those eye-catching PowerPoint slides on social media where objects seem to fly in and out, creating stunning transitions. Ever wondered how to make them yourself? Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros. In this video, let's explore and learn about morph transitions in PowerPoint. Before we start, check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to get hundreds of presentation themes, templates, and more right within PowerPoint. It comes with many features that can help you create stunning presentations in no time. Check it out using the links in the description. Alright, let's begin. Morph transitions in PowerPoint allow you to create seamless animations between slides by automatically moving, resizing, and transforming objects. Instead of manually animating each element, Morph does the work for you, making it easy to create smooth, professional transitions that bring your presentation to life. To create morph transitions, you usually need to do the following steps. Duplicate the slide, move or modify objects, apply the morph transition, and that's it. Your morph transition is ready to go. Let's put that to the test and create this morph transition in PowerPoint. Let's start off by inserting a picture into your slide. Then, draw a shape over the image to cover it. Change the shape fill and outline. Now, right-click and select Format Shape and adjust the transparency of the shape. Next, add some text, format it, and change the outline to no outline. Then select the shape and then the text and go to Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes and select Combine. When done, duplicate the slide by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+D. On the duplicate slide, zoom out and expand the shape till the background is clearly visible through one of the letters. And finally, add the morph transition to get something like this. Here's another example for you to understand morph transitions. On the duplicate slide, reposition the shape and place it slightly higher. Then add your content. Group them all together and paste them to the first slide. This is because morph only works when the same objects are on both the slides. Place the content below the first slide and finally add morph transition. And there you have it. I hope these two examples have taught you what morph transitions are in PowerPoint. That's it for now. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. The links are in the description.